Put it. If we put NOS on it, on this thing, and if we turn the... Oh! Oh, it's an insurance scam. Keep the plate, keep the plate, keep the plate.
Video protected.
We can record it, we can record it, we can record it.
Makes comments on all the photos, and I was like, alright, that's good. Oh, nice job, Chuck! Yeah! Did you see that? Somebody got hit. The Mini Cooper just rear-ended this guy at like 30 miles an hour. An idiot.
Y'all, I watched in my mirror as this lady jumped out to pass. She could have fell back in line, but she didn't. This was just outside of Cameron, Texas. That was ridiculous.
Don't do it! Woo! He came over, and I had a car right next. Want to stop? Thank you, baby. I want to stop. Thank you, baby.
Oh, shit! He tripping!
Seeking forgiveness. She is dance, but she want a loan. Start up a business.
And park it up early and get yourself on the inside, so it kind of worked well for us.
All right, he's building a notebook for the rest of the weekend. That's Shane Van Gisbergen. He finishes up in the third spot.
Really impaired truck driver out here on the freeways, almost hit several people. I mean, he's all over the road.
So what's going on today? Why would somebody call in on your driving? You tell me, you look at that trailer door. You tell me what's wrong with that. How do you drive a truck down the road and you don't close the door? You don't come back and check it? All right, so I can smell alcohol coming from your breath. There you go, place your palms together. Place you under arrest for an OBI today, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law.